Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to go over LeetCode question 448, find all numbers disappeared in an array. So the question reads, given an array of integers where 1 is less than or equal to ai less than or equal to n, which is the size of the array, some elements appear twice and others appear once. Our objective is to find all the elements of 1 through n inclusive that do not appear in this array. So the solution in this video will be big O of n runtime and big O of n space. And I think this method is simpler to understand and will teach you a useful trick on using hash tables instead of the solutions that are on the page, which use a negative indexing trick. But here it goes. The solution is going to be in Python. And first things first, we're going to be using a data structure called a dictionary, which is essentially equivalent to a hash table. So first, let's create a dictionary D. And the reason we use a dictionary instead of a plain old Python list is because it has a constant lookup time, which speeds up our solution. Now, since the question states that the values of the arrays of integers will always be between 1 and n, we know that numbers 1 through n are all the possible numbers that can be in the array. Since our objective is to find the missing elements of the array, which will fall between 1 and n inclusive, all we have to do is keep track of how many times each of the possible numbers appears in our input array. To do this, we first create a dictionary and fill it with all possible integers that should be in the input. 1 through n as keys, and set the values to 0, which happens by default. Second, we have to go through the input array and count the frequency of each integer using the values of the input array as keys to our dictionary. Third, we go through our dictionary to check if the frequency of that value is 0, and if it is, we append it to our answer list. And then we just return the answer, and that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.